Welcome to the world of form design. In this video, we'll show you how to make amazing online web forms, whether you want it to look great, be easy to use, or match your brand with logos and styles. We've got you covered. Let's kickstart our journey. After you've created an online web form in the Form Builder, click Preview and Design. You'll open the preview page. At the bottom left of your screen, locate the Themes button. Click it to access a variety of pre-made theme templates, and choose the one that best matches your form's style and purpose. But there's more. You can make your form look more fantastic. Click Design Form in the top right corner. You'll see a panel that lets you change things like adding your logo, choosing fonts, and picking colors. It's all up to you. So go ahead and transform your online forms into visual masterpieces. For more details about these form design options, check our user documentation. Thanks for watching.